Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add user stories in ClickUp. But before we proceed, if you don't know about user stories, here's a quick recap. User stories are simple, user-focused descriptions of what needs to be done. They clarify what the user wants, why they want it, and the value it provides. Why they are useful? To make requirements clear, improve team communication, break work into smaller tasks, fit well in agile workflows. Now, where to use them? As tasks inside list with fields like priority, assignees, or due date. Now, let's make a quick user story. Click on add task, go to your space, and click on add task. Now, as you can see, as a new team member, I want a quick tutorial on a project dashboard so I can get started with confusion. Now, if you don't know about the format of this, the format is like this. As a user, I want goal so that benefit. Now, you can also add a description like about the task, explains dashboard navigation, shows task. Alright, now if you want to add a subtask, you can write over here. I'm just writing it for example. You can also create a checklist inside task. You can check it wherever the task gets completed. You can also add attachment by clicking over here on more, or you can paste over a link over here: Google Drive, Google Docs, ClickUp, Canva, YouTube. Now, what's important is due date, priority, or assignee. If you want to add other features, you can go on customize, go on more options. No, sorry, go on fields, and from here you can add other options like date created, status, created by, date closed, date done, the date updated. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching.